Hello students, in this video I will going to explain about federal setup in India, which is taken from Civics Class 10 book. Let us first understand what do we mean by federal government. Federal government, India has a federal form of government, which means that powers which are divided between central and state government and both are supreme within their respective spheres. Means both are supreme in their respective fields. Both central and state government can draw their authority from constitution of the country. They can manage their fields with themselves. Next is importance of federal government. Federal government has India as a federal government. It is not possible for states to break away from the Indian Union. Any states cannot break India from Union. This ensures and maintains the unity and integrity of the country. That means central powers and state powers, they cannot interfere in between them. State powers, state representatives cannot interfere in the work of central representatives. Because people belonging to various religions. In India, there are many religions, there are many people which are different religion, culture, and linguistic affiliations. They live in our country. That is why federal setup is required to maintain their culture and linguistic affiliations, to make them unite. This is one of the major importance of federal government. Next is both union and state government can draw their power and authority from constitution, and no one can violate any terms of constitution. No one can violate the terms of the rules which are on the constitution, which are making from the constitution. They cannot misuse. Next is the states also participate in the functioning of government. Means any state can part in the function of central government. The upper house mainly consists of representatives of states. Rajya Sabha, which is known as upper house, that consists of state representatives. The constitution has also provided the central and state government with adequate financial resources to carry their duties towards the people. The main constitution, our constitution has provided funds to central government and state government to perform their functions. Next is federal features of Indian Constitution. What are the features of Indian Constitution? Dual government means central and state government. Both are in our country. Division of their powers. They have their own powers. Supremacy of the Constitution. Both government have one supremacy constitution, which is known as Supreme Court. Supreme Court is also called as final interpreter and guardian of the Constitution. Supreme Court can control both the government, central government and state government. These are the federal features of Indian Constitution. Next is federation with strong central government. Central government is very strong in our country. Parliament has very wide scope of legislation, means Parliament can make laws under certain circumstances. Means in emergency situation, Parliament can make law in any matter, whichever in the state list also. Central government can interfere in emergency situation for state. Consequences of imposition of president rule, that our legislative assembly of states may dissolve or suspend. If any state cannot perform their duty, president can order them to suspend, or the constitution which the government which formed in state can be dissolved. Parliament can alter the boundaries of the state to form new state. For example, Telangana from Andhra Pradesh, the recent boundary makers. Parliament can alter their boundaries. This is what is federal government and its features and its importance. In next video, I will upload about Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha.